Hello students, welcome back to the master series class on profit and loss. You are watching the channel Study with Prabin Sir. Today we will solve some new varieties of questions on chapter profit and loss. So let's get started. Type 16, question number 22. If oranges are bought at the rate of 21 for a rupee, how many must be sold for a rupee so as to gain 5%? Now here CP of 1 orange is equal to 1 by 21. How many must be sold for a rupee so as to gain 5%? Now here students, as you know that I have told one formula, that is SP is equal to CP into 100 plus profit percent divided by 100. Now here I shall use this formula. So here SP of 1 orange will be SP is equal to CP, here CP is 1 by 21 into 100 plus 5, because here gain percent is given as 5%, divided by 100. So that is equal to 1 by 21 into 105 by 100. Now 21 5s are 105, and when this 100 is divided by 5 it becomes 20. So that is equal to 1 by 20. That means selling price of 1 orange is equal to 1 by 20. That means in 1 rupee 20 oranges will be sold so as to gain 5%. That means here option 1 is the right answer. Now students, next question, that is type 17, question number 23. By selling mangoes at 44 a rupee, a man loses 20%. How many for a rupee should he sell in order to gain 10%? Now it is given that SP of 1 mango, SP of 1 mango is equal to 1 by 44. To find cost price, earlier I have told one formula, that is CP is equal to SP into 100 by 100 minus loss percent. Here as it is given loss percent, so that's why I am telling this formula only. Now here CP of 1 mango is equal to, here SP of 1 mango is 1 by 44 into 100 divided by 100 minus loss percent, so that is 100 minus 20, so that is equal to 80. Now here the CP. Now to find the SP, here 1 by 44 into 100 by 80. Now this is the CP. Now one formula I have already told, that is SP is equal to CP into 100 plus profit percent divided by 100. So now I am using this formula. So that is into here, this is the CP into 100 plus profit percent, that is gain percent. So it will be 100 plus 10, that is equal to 110 divided by 100. So now this 100 is cancelled by this 100. This 0 cancels this 0. 11 4 jar 44. So that is equal to 4 into 8 32. So that is equal to 1 by 32. And this is the formulas, or these are the formulas. That means the SP of one orange will be 1 by 32. That means in 1 rupee 32 oranges will be sold so as to gain 10%. That means here option 1 is the right answer. So students, if you like this video, then please share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive updates on new videos. Thank you.